Morning children. So we are continuing our passages, page number 130, 31 and 32. Okay. I'll explain you, then I'll send you the PDF. In examination, I'll give you the paragraph and you have to write the answers. Okay. So fill your PDF. Anytime schools will start. When government will say school ચાલુ થઈ જશે મહેરબાની કરી અને બધા જ PDF ઉતારી લેજો બુક્સમાં હા તો પ્રોબ્લેમ ના થાય તમને બી ને અમને બી ઓકે નાઉ કોરોના ઇઝ ગોઈંગ હેપી ન્યૂઝ વેક્સિન હેઝ કમ હે ને સો ડોન્ટ બી ફ્રાઇટન્ડ પણ તેનો મતલબ એ નહીં કે બધું માસ્ક ફેંકીને ફરો નો વેર યોર માસ્ક સેનિટાઇઝ બધું કરજો ઓકે ચલો આઈ એમ સ્ટાર્ટિંગ ધ પેરેગ્રાફ સી રીડ ધ ગિવન પેસેજ કેરફુલી and answer the questions that follow. The passage has been taken from The 20-Minute Gardener by Tom Christopher and Mary Asher. But according to an account written by Arthur Caswell Parker, a 20th century archaeologist descended from Seneca Indians. Okay? Archaeologist means who digs and finds out things. His female ancestors got the better part of the deal. Those who were females, they got better part, for they had the gardening admirably organized. Their gardening was very well organized. A respected woman in each community was chosen as field matron. She paced the work, that means she walked, she checked the work, announcing breaks at necessary, and during these breaks, stories were told, games were played and songs were sung. Okay, European colonists never learned to sing and play. As they gardened, they were doing gardening. We hope to change that. But otherwise, they adopted the native routines virtually intact. They learned to grow native crops in a native fashion. And though they didn't move into bark covered with long houses, their log cabins were almost as easy to erect. Their cabins they can erect, they can build and be abandoned with no more regret. When the time came to move on, when they have to go to other place, they have to leave it. For many frontiermen, that time came as soon as there were no longer trees close enough to the cabin. That when felled means when cut. The trees, the firewood dropped right by the door. When they cut the firewood, the wood used to fall near their doors. Why work harder than you had to? Alas, this blissful innocence couldn't last. Americans began exporting their beautiful native plants to Europe. They started giving their beautiful plants to Europe. Unfortunately, the traffic went both ways. Within a few generations, European horticulturists, especially English horticulturists, were arriving by the boatload to poison the minds of the most prosperous class of Americans. Get yourself a pair of shears, cutting karva mate, a lawn mower, and flunkies to operate them. Advise the horticultural immigrants. They had come from other places, they are advising them wrong. They are all laughing at you back home. The immigrants, gardeners, native-born pupils took this a step further. Sprucing up wasn't enough for them. The second generation invented a new profession, that of the landscape architect, whose premise was that all geographical distinction between old world and new would be erased if only the customer would budget enough money. Okay, these all answers I give you, children. Now next here. 1 minute, madam, 1 minute बंद करो. किसकी आवाज है ये सब? Okay, read the passage given below and answer the questions that follow. There are two main problems which bother educationists in our country. The problem of religious and moral instruction in a land which has people of many faiths and problems associated with the fact that a large variety of languages are spoken by the people here. Children should be trained to love one another, be kind and helpful to others, Be gentle to animals. Be observant and think right. It is important to teach them to read and write, to count and calculate. Nevertheless, it is equally important to mold their personality in the right way. In almost all schools, we have boys and girls born in different faiths. That means they all are having different religions, belonging to families that live diverse ways of life and follow different forms of worship associated with different religions. Schools should promote an atmosphere of mutual respect, better understanding, and helpful cooperation among all. We must help children understand that we should remain one. We should teach them to speak and understand more languages than one, to appreciate and respect the different religions as we are all one as human beings. Boys and girls can be taught national values by promoting facilities for religious teaching of all communities to help develop a broader outlook. So children, this passage is all over and I will be sending you the PDF. Okay, without fail, all of you fill. The school shall start at any time. So you all be ready. Okay, bye children.